So, I mean, there's still some cars out here. Hopefully we'll get a chance to film a good burnout. We definitely missed one over there. Big old trail going down the street. Two wheelie peely too was a nice one. But hey, it's alright. We get a little bit more. There's an AMX. This wasn't here earlier. Red lines on it. Let's take a look at this one. Looks pretty nice. The 390. You don't see very many of these anymore, I tell you. Beautiful interior. Look at that. Very nice car. I see a Honda. Not too sure what we got here, but it's nice. Let's see what we got underneath it here. The VTEC. Wow, look at all the blue. That is nice. Welds are pretty nice too on it. Hopefully we'll get this guy pulling away. Pretty clean looking too, I like it. It is a Prelude, I didn't even see that. I should have noticed it from the style of it. There goes the nice one right there. So Honda Prelude, probably the first one I've actually seen in person. Very nice car though. If you're a JDM person, that is. I like it though. Very nice and clean. I would love to drive it. Air filter looks pretty cool. Here we go with two nice vets leaving. Got the C8R behind him. Let's see if we get him to spin him. Nah, too easy going, but still nice. Oh, there we go. That's another nice one right there. Even if we don't get any tires spinning, any smoke flying, these are still nice vehicles, so. Got a couple bikes. Awesome. Alright, we got a Cadillac leaving. Let's see if we can get them to burn them right here. The thing is nice. There you go. Clearing the throat a little bit. See if we can get him getting it onto the highway over there. Tons of nice vehicles out here. Kind of easy going. Sounds great though. Goes one of the GTOs. Easy going. We saw that one parked over there. Check out this one. Sounds great. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. That was awesome. Old Falcon, sounds great too. And here comes the GT350. Another one that sounds great. Tell you what, I'm waiting for that Cummins over there, that big old black Dodge. I'm waiting for that to leave. I want to see that thing light its tires up. There's that old Ford right there. Tell you what, nothing but nice cars out here. Almost everybody's gone, but there's still some people hanging around. We'll wait and see. Looks like that Cummins is leaving. Hopefully we'll get a burnout from them. Alright, well here comes this big old Cummins. That thing is nice. See if we can get him to roll him. That's what I was waiting for right there. Love my big old diesel trucks. Okay, we got a El Camino. Great shape too. There wasn't one car here that was in rough shape today. Easy going again. Still cool to hear it go down the street though. There's the 80s vet. See what he can do. Easy does it again. Well, cops just pulled in, so we probably won't get any burnouts. But at least we can still see some stuff leaving. See if we can get a police burnout. Alright, Akron cops. Not a fan of them. Got another like 80s vet. Look at this Mustang. That is nice. That was awesome, even though he didn't burn out. That was great. Got a nice old Ford right here. Awesome. Here goes the vet. There we go. That's what's up. Getting some smoke going. Check out this one. Awesome. Nice old Corvette going. Just cool to see these cars. I don't expect them all to burn out. You know, this isn't a JDM meet. Here comes this awesome caddy. I got to talking with this guy. He goes to the same tattooer I do. Have a good one, man. Super nice guy. Great looking car. Old truck. God, I love these old trucks. Look at the Steelies on it. Looks great. Alright. That might have to be the thumbnail right there. What do you guys think? That's what I want to get right there. I got 2% battery. Look at this thing. That is awesome. Doesn't look like he's trying to burn them, but that's quite alright. My phone's probably gonna die here in a second, but these are like the last vehicles leaving the show, so I had a great time out here. I mean, there's one Camaro left over there, but we might as well head out. So let's get back in our Ferrari here. Get on out of here. Thanks for watching, you guys. I appreciate it. Stay safe.